If you have been on a diet before and failed because of the long list of do's and don'ts, I hear you. When you have starved yourself almost to death but didn't see the scale tip down just a little bit, I know how it can dim your vision and increase your frustration, distress, and agony. I feel you, champ. Some diet plans can be so restrictive, it's like signing your death sentence. So today, I will introduce you to a dietary lifestyle that will give you amazing weight loss and, at the same time, improve your health too. I'm talking about intermittent fasting. Among all the fitness and weight loss trends, intermittent fasting has proven to be the most effective and efficient way to lose weight. Welcome, my friends. I'm here with another video to discuss a diet plan that has been highly favored for a decade now by health enthusiasts all over the world. I will lay down the facts about this diet, give you as much information as I can so you can make an informed decision to get on with it for beginners or start on it for people still sitting on the fence. Also, click the link in the description of this video to access your free one-day keto-friendly meal plan. This is Gerald, your health coach and chef. Let's begin. Research shows that time-restricted eating patterns, such as intermittent 16-8 method, may prevent hypertension and reduce the amount of food consumed, leading to weight loss. And when combined with resistance training, the 16-8 method helped decrease fat mass and maintain muscle mass in male participants. A 16-week study in obese men found that those who practiced intermittent fasting lost 47% more weight than those continuously restricted calories. Those are just a few of the benefits. I will talk about this more in detail later in this video. If you practice fasting, let us know in the comments below. Share your experience and tell us how your diet is working for you. We will respond to your comment. Our intention in all our videos is on weight loss, is to teach you how our bodies work and how to eat wisely. Losing weight is a product of living a lifestyle, following what we try to teach you. We want you to get to the level where you don't have to live to eat, but eat to live. When you don't eat out of habit, and when food does not control your life and choices. Got it, champ? Let's get started. What is intermittent fasting, IF? Intermittent fasting is a diet regimen where you follow an eating cycle of no food, fasting, and periods of eating. Restrictions of this diet are not on any food item, but on the time of food eating. Isn't that great? Now, how does intermittent fasting work? Intermittent fasting works by extending the time from one meal to the next meal by allowing your body to burn calories from the last meal and use stored fat for energy. If you have not seen our video on carbohydrates, please watch it. We discuss in that video how stored fat in our body is burned for energy when our body runs out of glucose. Take a look at the link posted above. For people who have not been on an intermittent fasting diet, you must first consider your lifestyle. You will have to learn to incorporate this diet regimen into your schedule so you'll be able to sustain and reap the overall benefits. There are basically 4 fasting methods. Number 1. First, the thrice a week method, 5-2 method. Followers of this method mostly choose fasting on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Fasting days mean a 200 calorie or 300 calorie per meal twice a day for a total daily calorie of 400 to 500 calories. Focus on high fiber food and protein to help keep you satiated. And then non-fasting days for the rest of the week following a no food restriction normal diet. Number 2, the second method is the alternate fasting. This involves 24-hour fasting alternately the whole week. Like not eating dinner tonight until tomorrow night. And on eating days, you resume your regular, healthy diet. Number 3. The third and most popular method is the 16-8 method, or time-restricted method. In this method, you follow an eating and fasting window. For the 16-8 method, you fast for 16 hours and eat during the 8-hour window. Many, if not all followers of this method, use the 8-hour sleeping time as part of the 16-hour fast. So basically, they only fast for 8 hours. Most popular window is the 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. eating window. For this method, you will have to find the most ideal eating window considering your activities and sleeping pattern. Number 4. And the fourth method is called OMAD, or 1 meal a day. This involves fasting for 23 hours and then eating one large meal within the 60-minute window. You might say that this is crazy and impossible, but I tell you, you can easily get to this level after you try the other 3 methods. I heard of a story of someone who got to this level after going on the 16-8 method without even realizing it. And what if you were told it helped you with your chronic disease? Would that motivate you? Those, in a nutshell, are the 4 basic methods of intermittent fasting. Choose what works best for you, based on your lifestyle, because you want to incorporate this into your lifestyle. It is better that way, so you do not disrupt or adjust your lifestyle so much that it may cause you to stop the intermittent fasting. Do you go out a lot at night with friends? 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. may not work for you. Do you sleep early or wake up late? 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. then may not work for you. You know what I mean? But 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. is not set in stone. You choose a time slot that'll work around your schedule. Others do 12 to 12, 20 to 4, 18 to 6, etc. All I'm saying is that you must consider those things when choosing the right fasting method for you. What should you eat during your eating window? When we say resume your regular, healthy diet and no food restriction, normal diet, that does not mean go crazy diet. We did mention healthy, right? We also said high fiber, high protein diet. A good choice of a good, healthy diet is a combination of complex, unrefined carbohydrates such as whole grains, leafy greens, healthy fats, and lean protein. You are allowed to have black coffee or unsweetened tea and water during your fasting window. What are some of the health benefits of intermittent fasting, aside from weight loss? Number 1, insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is when you have an elevated blood glucose level, which leads to prediabetes and type 2 diabetes when left untreated. When you are resistant to insulin, you also have high triglycerides. It's the kind of blood fat, high LDL, or bad cholesterol, and low LDL, or good cholesterol. Intermittent fasting reduces insulin resistance and ultimately corrects insulin resistance. By the way, we also talked about insulin in our video on carbohydrates as well. It is amazing how all these things tie together. Low carbohydrates, insulin, fat burning, and body pH to help us lose weight and heal. I encourage you to check out our other videos. Intermittent fasting lowers blood sugar by 3 to 6% and lowers fasting insulin levels by 20 to 31%. This will protect you from developing type 2 diabetes. 2. Intermittent fasting corrects all risk factors for heart disease since it reduces the bad cholesterol, triglyceride levels, and glucose in our blood. 3. Intermittent fasting is good for our brain health by increasing our what is called BNDF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factors. The BDNF protein helps regulate synaptic plasticity, which is important for learning and memory. Alzheimer's and dementia patients have severely low BDNF. What increases BDNF? Fasting correctly, restricting carbohydrates, high protein diet, among other things. Although we see major benefits from intermittent fasting, it's not safe for some people, like pregnant women, children, people at risk of hypoglycemia, and people who are under medication needing meals before they take them. You should contact your healthcare provider and discuss your options. Do you have any dietary trends or questions you want us to feature? Drop us a line in the comments below, and we will reply to you. If you wish to see videos on how to prepare paleo or keto meals or recipes, also let me know in the comments. Share your questions, or if you have specific recipes in mind you want me to explore, just let us know. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope this video has been of help to you in understanding certain principles and habits that are beneficial to your health and losing weight, and creating a new, healthy paleo lifestyle. If you're interested in watching more videos like this one, click the link in the description for your one-day keto-friendly meal plan. Then, hit the subscribe button and change its color to a beautiful red. See you in the next video.